Check it out, guys. I get a break today. Wow. This is awesome. And what is this? This is April. April something. I don't know, I've lost track. But anyhow, this is unusual for this part of Texas in April. So I'll take it. Oh, so nice. So I'm going to show you what we're going to do in the Twinkie today. Well, there's a time of day where you just gotta call it quits. When there's a will, there's a way, but today's no way. Oh well. It's Easter Sunday, by the way. Happy Easter, everybody. And April Fools! April Fools on me! I swear this toilet will not come out. The bolts are so rusted I can't get them to move. I got my jigsaw intending to go ahead and cut the toilet because I'm getting rid of it anyhow. But no, that's not going to work either. Because I have no blades for my jigsaw. I do not know where the blades are. So I still have to clean out this area and in these smaller areas which I've not done yet. That may or may not get done today, depending on what kind of time limit I get myself on. The refrigerator needs to be pulled out, but my plans on the refrigerator is once I pull it out, I'm going to clean the wall behind it and then I'm going to go ahead and paint it and put the refrigerator back. Get that step done because there's no point in pulling it out twice. Okay, so what am... oh boy. What am I going to do today? Slow pan. Not really slow pan, but my messes are getting bigger. We are going to remove Mr. Hanky. And how are we going to do that? We're going to have to cut Mr. Hanky out. It's kind of disgusting. Okay. In fact, I can smell it. That's not cool. Yuck. Okay, well, we'll get to work on this. Okay, so please ignore the mess in the background. Should have called Mike Rowe of Dirty Jobs, right? Oh my goodness. So, brought my jigsaw down the other day to cut the toilet out with, but guess what? Couldn't find the blades. So I went and bought an assorted pack of blades. Okay, so what I'm going to need is, let me see, wood cutting, wood cutting, wood cutting, wood cutting, metal cutting, metal cutting, metal cutting. I guess I'll use the mental. I'll use the mental cutting blades. That sounds like a great idea. I'll just use the short metal cutting blade. I swear I'm losing my mind. It doesn't quite tell you what everything is. Let's see. And my glasses are okay. It says on the blades. Okay. So open this little gizmo. Come on, open, open. Are you taped? No. Is it because of these little thingy dingies? Yeah. Do I open the bottom? No. Stop giving me... Look at that. They're just falling out. Stop giving me a hard time. Open sesame. There we go. Jeez. What kind of crappy box is this? I just want a blade. Please, just give me a blade. Thank you. So I want to use one of the shorter, let's see, metal blades. Although it is just plastic. So here we go. Got a blade out. Okay. And this is a different type of jigsaw. I wanted a Black & Decker at the time, but I found this one on sale. So I bought it on sale. I don't know if the camera's picking it up or not. Okay, so this one is different. You have to release the little bolts inside with this little doohickey. And it's a challenge because just trying to get that little doohickey in there. And it hasn't been used in a while. Okay, there we go. And if you do it too much, guess what? The bolts fall out. Which is not fun. Okay, so let's stick the blade in. Something wants out of the shower. Shower door's knocking. Knocking and rocking. Okay, so, and then I return the pin into here so I don't lose it. Because losing these things isn't fun. Although I have others. So there it is, it's in there. Okay, so, next step. Plug it in, plug it in. Okay. Okie dokie, there we go. Okay, that's set up. Next. Yes. I'm actually going to finally wear this.
There we go, guys. I am all dressed up for the prom. Hi. Gloves. Okay, we need gloves. Here's the gloves. I can't believe it is April and I'm working in sweats. This is awesome. I like this. It's majorly disgusting. So we're going to go down to Mr. Hanky and zoom in. Oh, not something you really, really want to see, is it? Okay, gee. I'm a brave person. I have another flashlight here too. There we go. So, we're going to crawl down here. Hopefully this will work. I gotta lift the toilet. This floor is so rotted that I can actually lift the toilet. Okay, let's get a hammer. Oh, shoot. What a hassle. Who knew that this would be so problematic? Look at that, my floor is giving, which is no surprise, but the toilet isn't. Got a toilet break. This is where I need more strength. Shoot.
Okay, so now I am beyond the point of frustration. I give up on that freaking jigsaw, and I went and got lunch. Haha, this isn't lunch. La la, ta-da, la la. I don't want this cordless one. It is my Dremel. I'm going to put the cutting blade on it. And hopefully that'll slice through it like butter, because this has been ridiculous. Tool thing right here to get this little screw off the end. I don't know if this is the part I need or not. It probably isn't. I could read the instructions, but how much fun is that? Yeah, maybe this is the right part. So I'll unscrew it and slide my little Dremel saw over it. And then screw it back in. That's pretty cool that it comes with this little tool.
Oh, say a prayer for me. Other light over here. Okay, sleeve up. It's a variable speed Dremel. Broke it! Dang! I broke it! So what happened was a bunch of gunk got caught up on my Dremel and tore a hole through the top of the little drill piece. So this is the only other piece I have left, so let's hope this works. Oh man. Not good. Okay. I'll be back. Finally, after half a day's work, I ended up putting a drill bit on the Dremel and just had to keep making holes through the plastic until I weakened it to where I could hit it with a hammer and release the toilet. I swear, what a project. Okay, so let me lay these tools aside so they don't get damaged, and we will pull out the toilet. Okay, so I went home, got some more tools, you know, the Dremel and stuff like that. This has been quite the job. The bolts are so rusted, but this floor has to be rebuilt around the toilet anyhow. I hope you can hear me because I still have the respirator on. So what I'm going to do is come in here and remove all my little things I have down here. There's the hammer. And then we're going to slide this over the toilet. Okay, y'all ready? 1, 2, 3. We are. Oh my gosh, and the tank is full. Oh wow. That's not lovely. Oh goodness. Get the bag out. This tank is full to almost the top. Holy moly. And it's clogged. Oh. Okay, well let's get this nasty thing out of here. Okay, so the toilet is gone. Good news is as soon as I figure out how to empty that full tank, I think I'll pour a bunch of bleach down it, but it may not do much good, but it'll help the odors. And, whew, I swear. Cut the floor, because the floor needs to be rebuilt. I bought a new toilet already. A nice high-profile toilet. It's another one of the plastic type, because I looked at the ceramic, and the ceramics are way too heavy, and I didn't want to put the weight in here. And it has a side flush because they use less water. So, that was a big hurdle. That was a huge hurdle. Wow. To the bottom of a coffee can, maybe it'll... Alright, hey, that'll work for now. Okay, cool. So that was a cut off bottom of a coffee can that I just found. Oh my goodness, what work. Yeah, the floor's soft. Up to about here. So that's all going to have to be cut out. Woo! Dang. Toilet's gone, folks. Toilet is gone. Thank you for your support.
I guess I could take this mask off my face. Okay. Thanks for watching. Thanks for your support and your words of encouragement and all that. And live the life you love. Talk to y'all later. Bye-bye.